Hi everyone, my name is Harsh and I'm an AI engineer at Cupa AI. Today I'm going to show you something absolutely game changing in the AI world. Imagine this, you want to build a smart AI system but you don't know how to code. Or maybe you are an enterprise company that needs AI solution but doesn't want to spend months and thousands of dollars on custom development. Well, I just built an entire research assistant in under 5 minutes using nothing but just drag and drop. No coding, no headaches, just pure AI magic. Today, we'll be walking through Agent Hive, our amazing visual programming tool that's changing how people build AI systems. Now that you know what Agent Hive is, let me show you exactly how our agents work. And the best part of our Agent Hive is how simple it is. Each piece does one job, and when you connect them together, amazing things happen. And let me show you the main pieces we'll be using today. First, we have our chat input. This is where people can type their question. Think of it as a front door to your AI system. And you can connect all these blocks simply by dragging it and connecting it to the correct block. Now, next we have our prompt block. This is like the brain of our system. It tells our agent how to behave, how to think, and how to respond. And this is where we set up the personality of our AI agent. As you can see, we have defined exactly how we want our AI agent to behave. And we need everything to be followed in this way. We can also simply connect this prompt to the agent instruction just by dragging and dropping it. Now, then finally we have our AI agent. This is where the real magic happens. You can connect it to the AI providers like OpenAI, Claude, Anthropic, Gemini, or others using your API keys. Now let me show you something really cool, the temperature setting. You see this slider here that goes from 0 to 1. Temperature is basically how creative you want your AI to be. At 0, your AI is very focused and will give you the same answer every time. This is perfect for facts or when you need the same result. At 1, your AI becomes much more creative and unpredictable, which is really great for creative writing or brainstorming. For research tasks like we are doing today, I'll keep it around 0.2 to 0.3, focused but with a little creativity. You can also change other settings like how long the responses should be depending on what you need. Now, here's where Agent Hive gets really powerful, the tools section. And we have a bunch of different tools according to your use case. Whatever use case you want to build, we have a set of different kind of tools which can be easily integrated with the agent. For this particular use case, we are using two tools, Tavilly Search API and Reasoning Tools. First, Reasoning Tool. This is game changing. It makes our AI think step by step, just like people do. Instead of jumping to quick answers, it has to use think and analyze function to work through problem carefully. The AI literally has to show its work. It thinks about the problem, takes action, look at the result, and then decide what to do next. This makes our AI agent really clear and trustworthy. Second, we have Tavilly, an AI-powered web search tool. This isn't just any other search engine. Tavilly is made specifically for AI agents. It finds real-time, accurate information from the web and gives it to the AI in the perfect format, which is smart reasoning plus real-time web data, which is incredibly powerful. And we can just finally connect our response to the chat output, which we can see in the playground where we'll be interacting with this overall agentic workflow. Here, I'm going to ask the agent to compare the population growth rate of India and China over the past 5 years and which country is projected to have a larger population by 2030. And watch this. You can see our agent is now thinking step by step. It's planning what to do, searching for data, looking at result, and building up to a complete answer. And looking at how it thinks, it's literally showing us what's going on in its mind. First, it thinks about what data it needs, then it searches for India's population data, looks at that, searches for China's data, compares them, and finally gives us the prediction. And here we go. Look at this amazing output. This entire research process that would take a person hours to do happened in just a few minutes. A few seconds in fact, with just a few visual blocks that we connected together. And this is the power of Agent Hive. We just built a smart research assistant that can handle tough questions, search the web in real time, think through problems step by step, and give us reliable answers with sources. And the best part, no coding needed. Everything you saw was just built with drag and drop. And you can use this for so many things like customer support bots, research helpers, data analysis, content creations, and much more. And this is just the beginning of what's possible with Agent Hive. In future videos, I'll be showing you how to build system where AI agents work together in a multi-agent environment, how to connect with databases, how to create workflows that run automatically 24/7, and much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.